Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. I'm Hoang MamBa Tools. Thank you for coming to my broadcast today. Are you struggling to find real potential customers on Facebook? Did you know that the comments section under viral posts is a goldmine for lead generation? In this video, I'll show you how to use MKT UID to automatically extract user data from Facebook comments and turn that data into a powerful customer file. Let's face it, people comment on Facebook posts every day, asking for prices, details, availability. These are high-intent users, but most marketers just ignore them. That's where you're losing potential sales. Here's how it works. Step 1, go to Facebook, find a post with a lot of comments, ideally about products, reviews, viral content, etc. Step 2, click the 3 dots on the top right of the post, choose Copy Link, and convert it to UID by go to Convert Link to UID by MKT UID. Step 3, inside MKT UID software, choose to Scan Post Comment. Choose the post you want to scan comment to find potential. After that, MKT UID will automatically extract hundreds of comments onto your post, all hands-free. Step 4, click Export to download the UID list in Excel or TXT format. With MKT UID, you can insert any Facebook post URL, automatically scan and extract the UIDs of all users who commented, filter out engaged or buyer intent users, export the data to run ads, send messages, or build a remarketing list. You can use the collected UID data to run Facebook remarketing ads using the custom audience, send friend requests, inbox messages, or invite to group via other tools. Build a high-quality customer lead list for follow-up. No coding, no manual work, just a few clicks. Imagine you sell fitness products. You find a viral post about weight loss tips with over 1,000 comments. With MKT UID, you extract that list in seconds, and now you have over 1,000 people already interested in fitness. That's not just traffic, that's targeted leads. So don't let Facebook comment sections go to waste. Start using MKT UID to unlock real, targeted customer data from where people are actively engaging. Download MKT UID now at Insert Link. Try it free and turn comments into conversions. Click the link below in the description for a demo or contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp and see how powerful it is. And my video ends here. Thank you everyone for attending today's broadcast. If you find it interesting, please leave me a like, a share, a subscribe. See you all in the next video.